What? What? You know what? When you think Piano is gone, is dead, and then Ronald Muchengwa pops up with a funny video of him dancing with some girls, you know. Okay, yeah, that's the funny video that popped up on Thursday. That video popped up on Thursday. It was trending, went viral in South Africa. It's Ronald Muchengwa with some beautiful girls, yellow bones, as you can see there in the video. But I have a question, guys. We saw the video. It's been trending. You know, I actually personally I thought my piano is gone, and then when I saw this video of Ronald Muchengwa with these girls dancing, I think they were at the garage or something in front of the car or beside the car. You know how South Africans do, open the booth and open the doors, and there's like yo, I just feel like many of us don't know what song is playing in the background, and I'm trying to figure out what song is playing in the background of that video, and I actually found it. I found that it's actually a song by Something Soweto. If you guessed right, yes, Something Soweto. It comes from an album that he released in September this year, you know, 2019. Yo, Ronald Muchengwa, guys. Yeah, I think if you thought my piano is gone, Ronald Muchengwa just resurrected that. My piano is still here, guys. My piano is still here. So it's Something Soweto. It's an album that came out in September. The song is called Akula Lake. It's a song he did with DJ Maporisa, Shasha, Kabza the Small. I think the song is called Akula Lake. Something Soweto. Go and check it out. It's actually a very nice song. So actually I feel like the whole album of Spiti Piti is actually called Spiti Piti by Something Soweto. Yeah, it's a very nice album. I think it's 13 track album there, so go and check it out. You know, thank you very much for joining me today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Click the red button called subscribe, and also click the notification bell so that you are not left behind when we do our videos. Something like this, Something Soweto. Yeah, I think Ronald Muchengwa must get credit for resurrecting Amapiano, and also for putting this song on the map, you know, and also making sure that people now start to go, oh, we still have Amapiano, because many people release songs and then they're nice. We saw Prince KB, crossover music. We saw DJ Zinhle, 222 from King Monada, and all other songs that he released, Makadzi. You know, they're all there. Shoma Josie, aka Yanga, Boiti, they're all releasing bangers, guys. Nice to see. So it's crazy in South Africa right now. So festive season has already started. Guys, I just feel like Ronald Muchengwa need to be credited for making that song trend. Like Something Soweto, and also to revive my piano like that in 2019, because most of us thought my piano is gone, is dead, just like Chrome. You know, so yeah, guys, for those of you who are in Giyani, Thohoyandou, Phalaborwa, Tzaneen, Polokwane, and all that, those areas, please go out there at ShopRite, check us, and also check Combi Tickets. Your tickets are there for the Verbal Engineering Night on the 26th of December with Chavi and Maraji. It's a comedy night on the 26th of December in Giyani at the Giyani Community Hall. So we're doing it live on the 26th of December. Please don't be left behind. Please go out there and get our tickets at the Computer Tickets. Hey, I'm already in December. Thank you very much for joining me. My Gingirikani is me. My name is Eka. So I'm testing Tatora. Salute. Eka Dorsne. Binganiwe. Go make a Did I door? No.